Hello, my name is Wilmar. I am 25 years old. I am currently Chiro, Antioquia. I am attached to SEAT Turbo in the psychology program. I belong to group 694 of the English course A2. Last year I was at the Onda Tolima resort. I spent a spectacular weekend there with my family. When we arrived the first thing we did was staying in a very nice hotel. The rooms were big and nice. Then in the afternoon we went to the pool to swim. There we play bowling. We swam. We rode the slide. At night we went to the bar to have cocktail and dance in beach. During the 2 days we were there, we always enjoyed two foods, then less case. Sometimes we play bench soccer with my brother. We had a very pleasant time. In 2 days, it was good hot. The temperature was approximately 35 degrees. It is very hot city.